Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Himanshu, and in this video we are going to understand and OR function. And OR function is very important part of a logical functions. Um, how these things work? Look, in if function, or if you are going to apply a logical test, it supports only individual or a single logical test. What if we required more than single logical test? Then based on a condition we need to use either and or. Now there is one condition, to make you understand. I'm taking into consideration one practical example. So here is the result criteria. Let's say school authority has said that we are not concerned about the total marks, and total marks is not the criteria for pass and fail. The criteria is in the individual test student need to score well, and that condition is this one. Result criteria: unit test out of 30 the student need to score more than 15, in half yearly out of 100 need to score more than 40, and in final need to score more than 40. All these three conditions, if this all three conditions are getting fulfilled, then only student is pass, else fail. So it's very simple. We need to apply AND function. So and here you may see logical 1 comma logical 2, which is in square bracket. This means an optional parameter, but you may give n number of logical tests that in order to fulfill your requirement. However, the logical one here is unit test score should be greater than 15. Logical 2 is half yearly score should be greater than 40, and logical 3 is final score should be greater than 40. Bracket close, enter, and the answer is false. The thing is, if you are applying an AND function, then all the logical test has to be true, then only answer will come true. Now here you may see the unit test score is yes, well more than 15, but half yearly score is not more than 40, even though final score is more than 40. But if any one of the logical test is not fulfilling or it's not true, then the answer is going to come false. I'm going to drag it and we will have the answer. Like here you may see true, so it's fulfilling all the three conditions: greater than 15, 40 and 40. It's true. It's false because it's yes, it's greater than 40, greater than 14, but 12. So this is how we need to put AND function. But what if I want the answer not in true and false? Again, I want the answer in like pass and fail only. I've told you in the first video only, when we have started the if function, that logical test, anything could be logical test which is giving answer in true and false. So this is the logical test. So what I'm going to do, look at the formula bar here. After equal to, I'm going to put if logical test is this complete function which is giving answer in true and false. If this logical test will give answer in true, this means value of true is going to be pass this time. Value false is going to be fail. That's it. Enter and drag it, we will have the answer. This was very easy. Look, here we have applied an if function, and the logical test is an AND function which will give me the output in true and false. And if this AND function's output is true, then it should come pass, and if its output coming false, then it should come fail. So we will have the answer. However, let's say if the school authority has got lenient and they are saying that okay, we need to be flexible, and we want to because most of the students are getting fail, so it should not be the case. The condition is now totally different. The condition is that either the student need to score more than 15 in unit test or more than 40 in half yearly or final. If any of this condition is getting fulfilled, the student is pass. Then the complete function will remain same. The only difference is going to be in place of and we need to put or. So we need to apply or. Let's say if I have applied or, under or this is the logical 1, logical 2, logical 3. If any of the logical test is true, then the answer will come true. So here you will find most of the result is going to be pass. I think it's all pass. Okay, we have got fail because that person has not fulfilled any of the criteria. Less than 15, less than 40, less than 40. But most of the students are pass. So this is the difference between and or function. And in AND function you may give n number of logical tests, all has to be true. In OR function again you may give n number of logical tests, any one has to be true in order to have the result in true. So this was for AND and OR, and I'm reminding you of the task that I have given you in the previous video. I've told you that you need to do this task after this video. So yes, this is the time that you will have to create a sentence, and like Manoj Joshi has passed, if the result is pass and fail, then the sentence construction should be like this. You will have to get this result out of this particular result. So go for it, and we will check the solution in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.